Let me show you all methods that allow you to capture a screenshot on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. So the first method is to use the volume down button and the power button. If you press both of these buttons at the same time, then you will easily capture a screenshot. There we go. But besides that, what you can also do is you can open any app in the list of background apps or recents. So let's say if I open the Play Store, then I can go to background apps, and then over here below the preview we have the screenshot button. Unfortunately, we cannot really capture a screenshot of the home screen, for example, with this method, but we can capture a screenshot of any app that is opened in the background. Last but not least, we can also set up the tap back gesture. So we're gonna open settings. Next, we're gonna choose system. And then over here, we're gonna go to gestures, and then we have quick tap to start actions. We want to enable this option, and then make sure that the take screenshot is selected. We can also require stronger taps, but for the sake of this video, of course, we don't really need that. And now we should be able to double tap the back of the phone in order to capture the screenshot. And unfortunately, at first, it might be quite difficult to execute it. Like me myself have trouble sometimes with these gestures still, but definitely it is possible to do so. So I usually try to tap over here above the Google logo, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I'm not sure why. It could be definitely a little bit better, because as you can see, unfortunately, it's just not catching taps. There we go. Now it actually did. So maybe I just have to be much more, maybe these taps have to be much stronger than I do, but I can definitely say that it could be working slightly better. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.